Hey guys, what's going on? I'm back with another video, and today I have a hack on a shirt folding tip that you can use when you have two shirts that you wear together that they are in a set. I'll show you what that is. So like I was saying, that these two shirts that you see here, they're actually are worn together. They were bought at this, they were bought within inside of each other. So like this brand here, this is E-Machine. And this is also a machine shirt as well. This hack is pretty good when you want to eliminate clutter and you want to save the space in your drawer. So I'm going to show you guys on how we're going to do this right now. So first, what you want to do is you want to fold your inside shirt. Okay, you're not going to fold it. We're not going to fold it the way you normally would fold it. Putting it side to side and then folding it up like that. We're going to do it in tri-folds first. So please excuse me because I'm holding the camera with one hand. So you want to spread out your shirt and on a flat surface like this. And I'm just fixing the sleeves here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a tri-fold. We're going to fold it over this way, and then we're going to fold it over that way, and then we're going to fold it into itself. So that's what we're going to do first. Let's work with the left side first. You want to get that in. You want to grab your side. Now again, I am using one hand. I'm going to fix it and I'll show you when to do that. So we have that one side done, and then we fold it in this side in there like that. This is good to straighten that out. Good. And there, like that. All right. And then we're going to fold it in again and meet to its end sides like this, to the corners, like that. Okay, and then we're going to fix that, and we're going to make sure it's nice and smooth, as best as you can. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it up this way, like that, and then we're going to fold it again, making now a little package like this. And we're going to follow the same exact suit, except this time we're not going to do a tri-fold. We're going to fold it regular. So again, you want to spread your shirt out. So once you got your shirt all nice and flat on the surface, you're going to take your other shirt and you're going to turn it this way, and you're going to put it right below the sleeve where the underarm is. So you have this. Okay, and you'll see why. And what you're going to do next is you're going to fold as you normally would. You doing one side over and towards the middle. We're covering that portion of the shirt, right? And then we're going to do to the other side as well as we did to the other side, like so. And what you're going to do next, as you normally fold, you're going to do the same thing. We're going to pick this side up like this, and we're going to bring it in like that. I'm going to bring this stuff up towards this way, like that way, right to the middle. And we turn it over, and look at that. Look, just as you had folded those clothes the same way here. And then what you're going to do is fix your collar, which I'm going to do right now. And it is ready to be put away in your drawer with your other shirts. So there you go, guys. So guys, that's your hack on how to fold a double shirt that you wear together, so that way you can eliminate the clutter and save yourself some space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got something out of it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or if you're looking to subscribe for more how-to videos or even vlogs, hit that subscribe button and join me on the journey of vlogs and how-tos. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye-bye.